The business that our group has created is Grocery Riot Store. Why we choose this name? It is because we want to help low-income people get necessity at affordable price. This business is located in Kampung Tualan Sekam Malinawa, Perak. This is to make easier for the villagers to get things without having to go to a town that 10 km away. Grocery Riot Store has sell fresh product, meat, dairy product and often bakery goods alongside canned, frozen and prepared foods. This business has been started 3 years ago on 7 January 2018.
Explain about taxation, journal and ledger. For the first point, the definition of taxation is business event that has a monetary impact on an entity financial statement and is recorded as an entry in its accounting record. Next, a journal. A journal is a detailed account that records all the financial transactions of a business, such as the journal ledger. And then, ledger. An accounting ledger is account or record used to store bookkeeping, interest for balance sheet and income statement transaction. Before I finish my presentation, I will show you a taxation journal and ledger for my group business in 2 months.
We explain about the grocery store rakyat, which is trivalent for month of December 2020. For the debit part, there is cash, bank, premise, ABDUL shop, return and some others account. And for the credit part, there is capital, sale and purchase return, and also there are some other account. So the total of both credit and debit side is 229,000. Besides that, there was trivalent for month of December 2020. For the debit part, there is cash, bank, premise, SABRI, AMEER, return and some others account. While for the credit part, there is payable, comat, capital, sale, purchase return and some other account. Then the balance for both credit and debit side amount is 301,500.
This is our income statement for month of November 2020 for grocery store rakyat. Our sales is 19,000, and then after we minus with sales return is 18,500, and then we can see here is our COGS. For opening, investment, purchases, minus with purchase return, and then we get our net purchases is for this month total 7,000, and then we minus with our sales, so we get our gross profit for this month is 11,500. Okay, this is our revenue and expenses. No revenue for this month, and then we minus with our expenses. There is salaries 8,000, for office 3,500, rent 700, electricity 1,200, advertising 2,500, and then our water bill 100, and then the total of our expenses is 16,000. And then we minus with our gross profit, and then we get net loss, that is 4,500. Okay, this is income statement for month of December 2020. For our sales is 36,900 minus with sales return 500, and then the total is 36,400. And then minus with our COGS, opening stock 0, purchases 15,000, minus with purchases return 3,000, and then we get our net purchases is 12,500. After that we minus it, so the total of our gross profit for this month is 23,900. Okay, for this month we minus with expenses, but we have our revenue. There is commission received, rent received, prepaid dividend, and also dividend received. So the total of our revenue is 9,000, and then we plus with our gross profit, so the total is 32,900. After that, we minus with our expenses. There is dividend expenses, salaries, electricity, office expenses, advertising expenses, water bill, employee insurance, rent expenses, and then the total is 28,800. And then we minus with 32,900, and the total is 4,100 is for our net profit for this month.
Hello, okay, for this part, which is balance sheet, it has been divided for the 2 months, which is balance sheet November and balance sheet December, by our company, which is Grocery Rakyat Store. Okay, for the balance sheet in November, there has several current asset that we have added, which is cash, bank, and AMEER shop. For the total in the balance sheet November is RM202,500 ringgit. So it has been increased the price, which is RM54,200 ringgit. This increase has made our grocery shop in balance sheet December, the total for it is RM256,700, which is the item has been added like accrued commission. So this is our balance sheet for November and December. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Our group has learned how to make a financial statement in Grocery Rakyat Store. After obtaining the financial statement information, we complete the 2 months transaction. Financial statements are officially record of the financial activity and position of business, person or other entity. First, we can find out how to make a profit. A profit and loss statement is a financial statement that includes income, cost, expenses, include over a period of time, usually a quarter of a year. Next, we can know how to prepare a trial balance for a business. Trial balance is the list, the closing balance for the ledger account on a certain day, and is first step to work for the preparation to make it financial statement. We cannot an asset and liability. Asset divided by 2 is long-term asset and short-term asset. Example of debit, liability payable, interest payable, and income tax payable. For the business transaction, we can know how much the business get profit or loss.